In this video, you'll learn how to log into Base44. This process involves navigating through a few steps on your web browser to access the application. Follow these instructions carefully to ensure a smooth login experience. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Google homepage. You can do this by typing www.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Once the Google homepage loads, you will see the search box prominently displayed in the center of the page. Next, type Base44 into the search box and press enter on your keyboard. The search results will populate in a new page. Look for the link that states Base44 build apps with AI in minutes and click on it. This will direct you to the Base44 website where you can begin the login process. Once you are on the Base44 website, locate and click on the button that says start building. This action will take you to the login page. After a brief moment, you should see a welcome message that states welcome to Base44. This indicates you are on the correct screen to proceed with logging in. On the login page, you will see an option to enter your email address. Click on the field labeled email and input your email address associated with your Base44 account. After entering your email, you should look for the option that says log in with Google. This alternative method allows for a quicker login process. If you choose to log in with Google, click on the log in with Google button. This will redirect you to the Google account selection screen. Here, you may be prompted to select an account if you have multiple Google accounts. Click on choose an account to proceed. After selecting your account, you may need to enter your Google account password if you are not already logged in. Upon successful authentication, you will be redirected back to Base44. You should now see a message that asks, what will you build today? This signifies that you have successfully logged into the application. Finally, you will see another prompt that invites you to describe your app idea or explore templates. At this point, you are ready to begin using Base44. If any issues arise during this process, ensure that your internet connection is stable and that you have entered the correct login credentials. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.